Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the top 5 best car polishers available on the market right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional detailer, finding the right polisher can make all the difference. Stick around for a detailed breakdown of features, performance, and value for money. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the Lasso Car Buffer Polisher. This cordless polisher offers 8 variable speeds ranging from 2,800 to an impressive 6,000 RPM, making it highly versatile for a range of detailing tasks, from light waxing to heavy-duty paint correction. The random orbital motion ensures a swirl-free finish, making it beginner-friendly while still meeting the demands of professionals. With a lightweight design weighing just 3 pounds, maneuvering around tight corners or tricky areas is a breeze. One standout feature is the dual battery system, which includes two 21V 2.0 amp-hours lithium-ion batteries. This setup ensures uninterrupted operation, as you can charge one while using the other. The brushless motor is built for durability, offering stable and quiet performance across various surfaces like automotive paint, metal, glass, and even wood. The included 17-piece kit is highly versatile, providing foam pads, wool bonnets, microfiber cloths, and sanding discs for diverse applications. Whether you're detailing your car, polishing furniture, or restoring clarity to glass, this kit equips you for it all. The downside here is the battery runtime, which can be limiting for extended sessions. Additionally, while the lightweight design is great for portability, it does sacrifice some of the robust feel you might expect from heavier models. Overall, the Lasso is an excellent choice for those seeking mobility and versatility, but it may not be ideal for those needing heavy-duty, all-day use. At number 4, we have the GV Life Buffer Polisher. This corded rotary polisher is equipped with a powerful 1600W motor, offering smooth and consistent performance across a variety of surfaces. Its 7 variable speed settings, ranging from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, provide flexibility for tasks like removing oxidation, scratches, or stains, and for achieving a showroom quality shine. The constant power control board ensures durability during extended use, making it a reliable option for longer detailing sessions. The ergonomic design of the GV Life polisher includes a detachable D handle and side handle, catering to different hand sizes and user preferences. Weighing just 4.5 pounds, it strikes a good balance between portability and build quality. The included pads, ranging from sponge to wool, are well suited for diverse applications such as automotive detailing, furniture polishing, and even metal restoration. The safety switch lock is a thoughtful addition, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. While this polisher delivers solid performance, the corded design limits mobility and may not suit users looking for cordless convenience. Additionally, it's best for lighter detailing tasks as it lacks the higher RPM range of premium models. That said, for its price point, the GV Life polisher offers great value and versatility, making it a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers. At number 3, we have the LDH Topy Buffer Polisher, a versatile rotary polisher powered by a robust 1600-watt motor. This model offers 7 variable speeds from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, making it ideal for tasks ranging from light sanding to aggressive polishing. Its multi-surface capability means you can use it on cars, boats, furniture, and even metals, making it a valuable addition to any detailing arsenal. The included 7 different pads are tailored to specific applications, whether you're removing deep scratches or adding a final glossy touch to your paint. Design-wise, the LDH Topy Polisher is both functional and ergonomic. It offers 3 different use methods: direct operation, with a D handle, or with a side handle, ensuring maximum comfort during extended use. The lightweight build, combined with the detachable handles, makes it easy to maneuver even during prolonged sessions. The ABS plastic construction is durable, though it may not feel as premium as higher-priced models. One drawback is the limited continuous runtime, as the manufacturer recommends cooling the motor every 15 minutes of use. Additionally, while it's versatile, Its performance on tougher tasks is slightly less refined compared to higher-end options. Overall, the LDH Topy Polisher is a reliable mid-range option for hobbyists and occasional users who prioritize versatility and ease of use. At number 2, we have the PropMex Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. This premium option features a newly upgraded eccentric polishing system powered by a pure copper motor, delivering stable and durable performance for professional-level detailing. The 6 variable speed settings, ranging from 2800 to 5500 RPM, allow you to tackle a variety of tasks, from waxing to removing scratches and swirls. The cordless functionality, combined with the lightweight 3.3-pound design, ensures maximum mobility and ease of use. The standout feature here is the dual 21V2 1000 mAh batteries, which provide up to 100 minutes of runtime when fully charged. This extended battery life makes it perfect for uninterrupted detailing sessions. The PropMex kit includes 18 attachments, such as sponge polishing pads, wool discs, and sandpapers, offering excellent versatility for different applications. Additionally, the ergonomic design, coupled with the safety temperature control, enhances user experience and ensures safe operation. The main downside is the higher price point, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while its cordless design is convenient, the 100-minute runtime may not be sufficient for larger detailing projects. However, for those seeking a professional-grade, cordless experience with top-notch versatility, the PropMex Polisher is a fantastic choice. The PropMex Polisher is a fantastic choice. Cordless experience with top-notch versatility. The PropMex Polisher is a fantastic choice. Combined with the lightweight 3.3-pound design, ensures maximum mobility and ease of use. The standout feature here is the dual 21V 1000 mAh batteries, which provide up to 100 minutes of runtime when fully charged. This extended battery life makes it perfect for uninterrupted detailing sessions. The main downside is the higher price point, which may deter budget-conscious buyers and may be on their budget runtime or customers late moving. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Aoben Car Buffer Polisher, the ultimate budget-friendly option that delivers an impressive blend of performance and value. This dual-action polisher features a 700-watt motor and 6 variable speeds, ranging from 1,000 to 4,500 RPM, offering excellent versatility for car sanding, polishing, and waxing. The random orbital motion ensures a swirl-free finish, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. The ergonomic design includes both side and top handles, which can be adjusted based on your preference. The included 4 buffing pads allow you to switch between tasks effortlessly, whether you're removing excess wax or achieving a high-gloss finish. Its lightweight, yet durable construction ensures comfortable operation during extended sessions. The 9.8-foot cord provides ample reach, eliminating the hassle of constantly repositioning. While the Aoben Polisher doesn't have the advanced features or premium build of higher-priced models, it offers exceptional performance for its price point. It's ideal for hobbyists and DIY detailers who want reliable results without breaking the bank. If you're looking for affordability without sacrificing quality, the Aoben Car Buffer Polisher is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect car polisher for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment and I'll get back to you ASAP.